As of my last knowledge update in January 2023, creating a Google AdSense account involves several steps. Keep in mind that the process may change, so it's essential to check Google's official AdSense website for the most up-to-date information. Here is a general guide based on the process up to my last update. How to create a Google AdSense account. Eligibility check. Before applying for AdSense, ensure that your website or content meets Google's eligibility criteria. Typically, Google looks for high-quality content, a user-friendly website, and adherence to its program policies. Create or sign in to a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one. If you already have a Google account, used for Gmail, YouTube, etc., sign in. Visit the AdSense website. Go to the Google AdSense website and click on the Sign Up Now button. Provide your website URL. Enter the URL of the website or blog where you want to display ads. Make sure it complies with AdSense policies. Choose account type. Select the account type, individual or business, based on your preferences. Complete application form. Fill out the application form with accurate and honest information. This includes your contact details, payment address, and website information. Read and accept the AdSense program policies. Carefully read the AdSense program policies. It's crucial to understand and comply with these policies to ensure a successful application. Verify your phone number. Google may ask you to verify your phone number. You'll receive a verification code via text message or phone call. Connect AdSense to your website. Follow the instructions to connect AdSense to your website. This may involve copying and pasting a code snippet onto your site for verification. Wait for approval. Google will review your application, which may take a few days to a few weeks. During this time, ensure that your website continues to adhere to AdSense policies. Receive approval email. If your application is approved, you will receive an approval email. You can then log into your AdSense account and start creating ad units. Place ads on your site. Generate ad codes from your AdSense account and place them on your website where you want ads to appear. Start earning. As users interact with the ads on your site, you'll start earning revenue. Keep track of your performance using the AdSense dashboard. Remember that Google AdSense has strict policies, and violations can lead to account suspension. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the program policies and ensure that your website complies with them. Always refer to the latest information on the AdSense website for the most accurate and up-to-date guidance.